Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is going to be a tutorial about Google Sheet application on your mobile phone. And in this video I would like to show to you how the way to add sheets on spreadsheet documents by iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just open your Google Sheet application, and after you open it, you just need to open the documents that you want to add the sheets to, and you just need to go click it to open it. And here I already have the documents open, and I only have one sheet here, and I would like to add another sheet for another information in one document. So the things that you have to do, you just need to jump into this plus button over here, and you will be automatically have the second sheets that you ready to work with. So in this sheet there will be a blank. If you want to bring the data from sheets 1, you just need to go back into your previous sheets, and after that you just need to block all of the cells here that already containing the name as well as the border line or the table, and then you just need to go click it and go click copy. And after that you just need to go click this checklist button and go jump into the second sheets, and in this part you just need to choose the destination cells that you want to have, and after that you click twice and go click paste, and now you already have the tables on your second sheets. And if you want to rename this, you just need to go click the sheets applications, and after that go click rename and start to rename your sheets. For example, second data, and after that you just need to go click OK, and you are done. You already create the second data or second sheets on your documents. So that's the way how to create the sheets in the documents by iPhone. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.